Hi guys, so over the last 2 years a lot of you have seen that we've put up a lot of videos with Raw Adrenaline, a lot of videos with Zimbabwe snake handlers, showcasing what we do every day, and mostly just highlight reels and stuff like that. And the feedback we've got from you guys has been unbelievable. The support generated has been great, and firstly I'd just like to say thank you to all of you guys for the support and for the comments. You have no idea how far one comment goes to keep us motivated and keep things going. So over the last few weeks we've had a few inquiries from a lot of our international supporters saying that they would like to see a bit more to do with the day-to-day of how we go about doing all these things and what happens a bit behind the scenes and that. So I was thinking about doing a web series called Living Raw, where we basically just do a video diary of what happens in our day-to-day lives. We'll have other athletes coming on board, other snake handlers, other people just choosing to live awesome instead of average. And what I'd like to know from you now is I'd just like to see if, by way of comment, just comment below the video, comment on Facebook, whatever, send us inbox messages. What do you guys want to see? Do you want to see this? Will I be wasting my time completely? Please let us know what you want. We do this for you guys at the end of the day, and you know, we just want to spread the love, spread the awesome, and hopefully inspire somebody to do what they to live their dream really. So yeah, hit us up. Comments go a long way, likes go a long way, shares go a hell of a long way to keep our support going with our sponsors and you know, keep us able to do what we do. But thanks a lot for your support so far, guys, and I hope we can still live up to the dream for you. Just remember, when you got two choices, always choose awesome.